Shafts of sunlight pierce the canopy. A tigress walks slowly, each step deliberate, her paws sinking soundlessly into the earth. She lowers herself, stripes dissolving into shadow. Her movement is patient, almost ritualistic, every muscle tuned to silence. Ahead, a herd of spotted deer grazes. Their ears flick nervously, tails twitch, hooves shuffle. They are cautious, sensing something in the air. And then, one of them warns the herd. The alarm call breaks the silence of the forest. A sharp cry echoes from the herd, joined by langurs above. The jungle itself whispers, danger is near. Deer scatter in panic, zigzagging, leaping, fleeing. The chase lasts only seconds. Exhaustion halts her sprint. Failure is common, but balance is preserved.